In this video, we're going to show you to install sway bar end links on your Toyota Camry located on your front suspension. Use a pry tool and go ahead and pop off that center cap. Set that aside. Use a 21mm socket to go ahead and loosen and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel and set it aside. Using a 14mm socket, want to loosen and remove the nut for the sway bar end link. Go ahead and move that link out of the way. Using a 14mm on a swivel here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this nut. Install your sway bar end link. Go ahead and get our nuts installed here. We're going to use our Allen key here. This is a 5mm with our 15mm nut or 15mm gear wrench. What we can do is put our Allen on the inside of this stud here to hold that while we secure this. Going to secure this upper nut, make sure that's good and tight. It's going to repeat the process for the lower unit. Good and torque the sway bar end link nuts down to 29 foot-pounds. Go ahead and take your wheel. Line up those studs there and get our lug nuts started. Go ahead and torque your lug nuts down to 76 foot-pounds. Do this in a crisscross or a star pattern. If you have a hubcap or a center cap, go ahead and install that now. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.